Have you ever wondered about the most special building in the world? A building so important that millions of people visit it every year? Well, get ready for an amazing story from long, long ago. Thousands of years back, in the hot, sandy desert of Makkah, there was a very special father and son. Their names were Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail. Peace be upon them both. And Allah, the creator of everything, gave them a very important job to do. The place was called Makkah, and back then it was just an empty valley surrounded by tall mountains. No trees, no rivers, just golden sand stretching as far as the eye could see. It was quiet and peaceful, the perfect place for something very special. Prophet Ibrahim was a very old man, but he was strong in faith. His son, Prophet Ismail, was young and brave. Together they traveled through the hot desert, their robes flowing in the wind, ready to do what Allah had asked of them. Allah told them to build a house, a very special house where people could come to worship Him. This house would be called the Kaaba. It would be a place of peace, a place of prayer, and a place that would last forever. So the work began. Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail started gathering stones from the mountains around them. Can you imagine? Big stones, small stones, rough stones, smooth stones. They picked them up carefully, one by one, carrying them to the spot where the Kaaba would stand. With their own hands, they began to lay the foundation. Stone upon stone, they built the base of the Kaaba. It was hard work under the burning sun, but they didn't give up. They worked together, father and son, side by side, with love and dedication. Day after day, the walls of the Kaaba grew taller. They placed each stone carefully, making sure it was just right. The building started to take shape, rising from the desert floor. It was becoming real. The house of Allah was being built right there in the middle of the empty valley. Now there was something very special that needed to be placed in the Kaaba. It was a black stone sent from heaven. This stone, called Hajar al-Aswad, was very precious. Prophet Ibrahim placed it carefully in the corner of the Kaaba, where it still remains today after thousands of years. Finally, the Kaaba was complete. Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail stood back and looked at what they had built. It was beautiful and simple, a cube-shaped building made of stone. Then they prayed to Allah, thanking Him for helping them finish this important work. They asked Allah to accept their efforts and to make this place blessed forever.